All right, I'm gonna hit VERU. So I'm gonna hit VERU. All right. Took out this liquidity pool coming down into daily support. VWAP as well. So we have VWAP, we have daily support, we have weekly support right below this. So I'm gonna give it enough wiggle room to trade down into that weekly support as well. But my PT is $6 on this. Okay. One to one stop. That means 560. 6. What about 597, 598? And good night right there. And cracking $6. That's what we wanted. So I'm taking profits right here on VERU. All right. So I'm going to go over this trade on VERU. I'm going to go over why I took it, why I took profits where I did, where my stop was, all that good stuff. If you're in something or you're trading something right now, just ignore me. But if you're not, then let's pull up a chart of VERU and let's break it down again, just to make sure everyone completely understands. Okie dokie. So before we take a trade, this was obviously, it was a morning dip buy play. It was a morning dip buy play. What are some things I liked about it? I liked the strong pre-market trend. Okay, we can see it wasn't just a ticker that popped up on news and just faded off into the opening bell on little to no volume. This one, it popped up in pre-market, pulled back, looked pretty weak just after 7 o'clock a.m. But what happened? Got some momentum. It made it started trending up again, right? So that's one thing I liked. We had a strong pre-market trend, lots of volume, got a catalyst. Next, we need what? We need our levels, obviously, right? If we're dip buying, we need our key levels of support. So we had a couple in here. We had one right here, and then right below it, we had our weekly level. Okay, so let's zoom out to a weekly chart first and pinpoint where that was again. Okie dokie. Yup, right there. So if you look again I'm on the weekly chart of VERU. Take a look at the week of 12/6/2021. See that? 572. See that weekly swing low level? 572. Right? And then now let's go to a daily chart because we had a daily support right above that. Definitely violated the daily level a little bit, but 582. 225 2022 on your daily chart. 225 2022. 582 daily swing high. So you had a daily support, and then right below that you had your weekly level as well on top of each other. Okay, but that wasn't it. There was a couple more things I liked about this. When did it occur? What I always tell you: first 5 minutes when you have your dip buys. First 5 minutes, highest probability plays. Okay, those first 5 minutes. Something else. We did what? We took out sell side liquidity into our level. See this? Right here at 9:17 a.m. Eastern time. See that swing low? Sell side liquidity, boom, right here. Did what? Huge flush, took out that sell side liquidity. Like I said, it kind of violated that daily level a little bit, no problem. That's why I say you don't got to be perfect. I don't try to be perfect. I don't try to catch the exact bottom to the penny. Sometimes you will, but it's very difficult, and I wouldn't try. You just need to be in the correct area. That's it. You need to be in the correct area. You don't need to catch tops and bottoms. That's why I like when I'm trading small caps specifically. Like I said, on Forex, I do it a bit different. Forex, I do more than a 1-to-1, but on small caps for this strategy in particular, I go with a 1-to-1 because I like to give it wiggle room. I don't need to be perfect. And yeah, that's exactly what we saw. Like I said, it kind of dipped down a little bit, and it did reach for that weekly level, that weekly support. And then you can see it curled back up, and then boom, right there. Ended up breaking $6. That was the profit target. Sold into the break of $6. Why $6? What's so special about $6? That is whole number resistance. Whole number resistance is your strongest psychological level of resistance. Okay. Stronger than the $half, stronger than natural support. Natural support over 25 cents. All right. Same goes for same goes for support. So $6, strongest psychological level of resistance, whole number resistance, but also your whole number strongest psychological level of support. So you had $6, and then right above that you had half-day resistance, and then boom, you had daily resistance. Did I leave a lot on the table? Sure. I mean, it's hitting a high of 630, hit a high of 636. Do I care? Not at all. Because what I always tell you, those singles, those quick singles, they add up. All right. You don't got to worry about catching every single penny. Not necessary. So, yep, that was the play.